Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. This is the look that we're gonna do today. We have a very bold smoky eye as well with a bold lip. This is a very fall style look today. And if you want to see this look today, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows already off camera. And I also primed my eyelids. For eyeshadow primer today, I just used my P. Louise base. Okay, so since I went ahead and got my eyebrows done and my eyes primed, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a transition color, and I am using the Morphe Mini MUA palette today. For my transition color, I'm going to use this shade right here, and that is Sophie. I'm gonna build that up pretty high since we're doing a very smoky look today. Since I put my transition color down, I am going to go in with this shade called Fire Witch. And I'm also going to bring that one up pretty high as well. Also going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so we have our orange on and our transition color. Next, I'm going to go back in with my P. Louise base and cut out my crease. Okay, since I cut out my crease, I am going to go in that crease with this Stila. These are called the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows. And they're very shimmery, and this is a rose gold color called Rose Gold Retro, and that is what that looks like. And I'm just going to use this for the inner corner of my crease. And on the inner portion of my eye, right in the center, to blend that rose gold in with the outer corner color, I am going to go in with this color called Leo. Okay, after we have put Leo on the inner corner, I am going to go in with this color called Spellbound. I really feel like with looks like these, blending is everything, because if you don't get a good blend, it's going to look patchy, streaky. It's just going to be a mess. So you really have to spend time when you're doing smoky looks like this to really get in there and blend it really well together. I'm going to go in with this gold shade. I think this would be really pretty just to define where that cut crease is. And this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitters in Midnight Cowboy. I'm actually going to take that and blend in with that rose gold color just to make it a little bit more shimmery, because who doesn't love a little extra glitter in their life? Okay, I got the top the way that I'm wanting it, so I'm gonna go in and do my lower lash line now. For the first shade on my lower lash line, I'm gonna go back in with Spellbound. And I'm just gonna blend that and connect that with that upper outer corner shade. Okay, this is what it's looking like so far. And this isn't quite as smoky as I want it to be. So I'm actually gonna go in with Howl on the outer corner, just to smoke it up just a little bit more. Okay, that's about the level of smoky that I like it to be. So now we're gonna move on to eyeliner and mascara. For eyeliner today, I'm gonna use Lady Gaga's House Laboratories eyeliner. Okay, so I got my eyeliner on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move into mascara. And for mascara, for the top eye, I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I always use a different mascara on the top of my eye that I use on the bottom. So for my bottom lashes, I'm going to use the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. Okay, we got our eyes done. So now we can move to face and foundation and our complexion. So for primer today, I'm going to use Tatcha's Liquid Silk Canvas for our primer. This is really good if you want something to just smooth out your complexion and fill in your pores, and then also keeps your foundation from just settling into your pores. For foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and this is in shade Oslo. It's also good to do your foundation after your eyeshadow, so that way if you have any fallout or anything like that underneath your eyes, your foundation will just cover it up. We have a little pimple here. We're going to cover that up with our concealer. And always, always, always blend into the neck. For concealer today, I'm going to use NARS Natural Creamy Concealer. And this is in shade Chantilly. Okay, since we got our concealer on, I'm going to go ahead and set that with a powder. And I'm just going to put that right underneath my eye to make sure that nothing, as well as I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. Since we got our face set, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty bronzer in shade Shady Biz. I'm going to use that along my cheekbone, as well as my forehead and my jawline. Okay, we got our bronzer on. I'm gonna use blush now, and I'm gonna use Mauve Sunrise by Bare Minerals as our blush. Okay, we got our blush and bronzer. So now it's time for highlight, the fun part. On our highlighter today, I'm going to use this Anastasia Dream palette. And we're going to use Sunshine for our highlight. I'm going to apply some of that along my forehead. My Cupid's bow. Just where the sun naturally hits your face is where I apply my highlight. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bake my contour today. And then while that's baking, we can go ahead and start on lips. All right, while our face is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and do lips. And for our lipstick today, I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in shade Malt. Okay, since we got our lipstick on, I'm gonna go ahead and brush away this bake, and then we can set our face. For setting spray today, I'm gonna use Smashbox Photo Finish setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray that on. Okay, this is the finished look today, guys. I really hope you liked today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe to the channel if you liked today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. And if you liked it, please hit that like and follow button. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, as well as Twitch for live content. I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.